Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is nomenclature of alkynes. The alkynes are named in the same way as the general parent names are as follows. If the alkyne containing, that means any organic compound containing one triple bond, so it is called alkyne. If the hydrocarbon, that means organic compound carrying two triple bonds, so it is a alkadiene. And three triple bonds are in organic compound diene. The organic compounds carrying four triple bonds, so it is called it as alka-tetraene. The IUPAC names of the alkanes are same way as the alkanes. Why alkanes are follows to alkanes? The rules are some conditions are required to naming alkanes. What are the conditions? So that the conditions are called it as rules for IUPAC system of nomenclature of alkanes. The first one is longest chain rule. And the second one is position of the substituent, and third one is alkanes, and next one is presence of more than one same substituent, and next one is naming different substituents and naming different substituent at equivalent positions and naming complex substituent. The first one is longest chain. If we consider the longest chain means select the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms that may or may not be horizontal. So that chain is called it as parent chain or main chain. The other carbon chains are attached to it are known as side chains. These are substituents. And next one is position of the substituent. What is the position of substituent? The number of the carbon atoms in the parent chain are starting from the end. So that is called as position of the substituent, and the lower number to the carbon atoms carrying the substituents. And the next one is lowest set of locanes. When two or more substituents are present, then end of the parent chain that gives the lowest set of locanes is preferred for numbering, that is lowest set of locanes. And next one is presence of more than one same substituent. If the same substituent or side chain occurs more than once, the prefixes are di, tri, tetra. That means if you having three methyl groups are present in parent chain, so the parent chain is like, and side chains are methyl group. So three methyl groups are present, trimethyl. That is the presence of more than same substituent. And next one is naming different substituents. If two or more different substituents or side chains are present in the molecule, so they are named as in the alphabetical order along with their appropriate positions. So alkanes also this following this rule, name of the different substituents, and alkenes are follow, and alkanes are also following this rule. And next one is naming different substituent at equivalent positions. In case of three different alkyl substituents at equivalent positions, so then the numbering of the parent chain is done in such a way that the alkyl group that comes that in the alphabetical order get the below lower number. That is naming different substituent at equivalent positions. And next one is naming the complex substituent. What are the naming complex substituent? What is complex substituent? The complex substituents are the substituent, that is complex substitution. If the substituent on the parent chain is complex, that is it is branched, it is named as substituted alkyl group by numbering the carbon atom of this group attached to the parent chain as 1. The name of such a substituent given in brackets to avoid confusion with the numbering of the parent chain. So that is complex substituent. These are rules of alkanes. So these rules are also applicable for writing the IUPAC name. Look at these examples. The first one is the IUPAC name of the some alkanes are given below. The first one is like this. The carbon skeleton is like this. In this triple bond is present. So one triple bond is present. So it is called it as alkyne. Alkyne. So and also it is branched chain also there. Methyl group. And parent chain is 5 carbon atoms. So we consider the numbering is right to the left. That means the low to the triple bonded carbon. So we start numbering like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3. So the IUPAC name is 4-methyl pent 1-ine because the triple bond is present between second carbon and first carbon. So we are given to the lowest number to the carbon atoms. And the next one is like this. The carbon skeleton is like this, and also triple bond is present in 2 carbon atoms. So the one branched chain is also there, methyl group. So the numbering is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The triple bond is present between third carbon and second carbon. Third carbon and second carbon. So the methyl group, first we are writing the prefix. The methyl group is present on fourth carbon. So 4-methyl pent. The root word is pent. Why it is pent? It contains parent chain containing 5 carbon atoms. So the root word is pent. And the triple bond is third carbon and second carbon. So we are given to lowest number to the carbon. So we are given 2-ine. And next example, like this, the carbon skeleton is like this. It containing 2 substituents, one chlorine and methyl. So we are first preferred chlorine. We are numbering like right side to left. So the direction like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The root word is hex because it contains the parent chain containing 6 carbon atoms. So the root word is hex. And the first carbon carrying chlorine atom and fifth position methyl group is present. And the triple bond is present between fourth carbon and third carbon. So we are writing in name of the alkyne. So lowest carbon atom number will be preferred. So the lowest carbon is C3. So the IUPAC name is 1-chloro, 5-methyl, hex, 3-ine. These are nomenclature of alkanes. Please subscribe and share and watch my videos regularly. Thank you for watching.